Hello there everyone. So in our last tutorial we saw how we put the graphics for our enemy rectangle. How did we randomize the enemy character from C++ and then send the index into KML and change that. So in this episode we're gonna change the graphics for our player. So I have already included this player prefix inside our asset. If you go to open editor, just like how we did it for enemy, I have already edited for the player, the rocket PNG and the thruster GIF. So inside your main.kml, what you want to do is change your player move one. Sorry, where is the move one? Move one to 85 pixel, height to 85 pixel, and I will quickly add an image. And this image will be our player rocket. So say player as ID. So our source will be this rocket's URL, and our width will be 55, height will be 55. Sounds good. And I want to center this horizontally inside this rectangle. So anchors dot horizontal center will be parent dot horizontal center, and anchors dot top of this rocket will be on the top of the parent rectangle, right? So parent dot top seems good, seems all right for me. And I also want to add animated image for our GIF. This element will have our this thruster GIF, so copy this here, and our ID is going to be thruster, and source is going to be the source of our GIF, and I'll put it here, and 25 will be okay, or 30, let's say 30, and yeah, I want this on the horizontal center, but anchor the top of this thruster should be on the bottom of the rocket. So rocket dot not, we have kept player, so we'll just change it to header for the better. We can keep clear if you want. Dot bottom, so our thruster will be on the bottom of our player. Seems good. If you go to animated image and hit F1, you have these properties you can use. So we have this playing, so which takes boolean. So playing will take true because I want this to run, this animated GIF to run. So if I run my application or the game, what do we have here? We have player rectangle, but we have this red background which I don't want. So go to rectangle here and change this to transparent. Perfect. If I run this, whoa, we have this rocket here. But now you see our thruster is not running. So what I will do is I'll just keep playing this GIF. So for that, what I want is whenever there is a key pressed, I want to say thruster dot play. Is it named thruster? Yeah, thruster dot playing should be true. And whenever there is a key released, I want the same thing. And what I also want is to have a active focus all the time, so I'll just force it. For that, I'll just say component done on completed. So whenever this player rectangle part is completed, what I'm gonna say is move one force active focus. I want this to be there, and I also want to have this thruster playing. is equal to true. Now whenever no matter what we change, it should always be running. Nice. Looks good. Yeah, looks fine. And similarly, what we can do is we can include the bullet image. So let's quickly do that. So go to your bullet .qml. Same thing here. Include, just change it to item for now, and you don't need this color. And go to your enemy, and then copy this image and go back to your bullet.qml, paste it here instead of enemies, right? Bullets, and everything looks good. For the source, we're gonna add the bullet.png. So go to add asset, open editor, add new prefix, say bullet, and inside bullet I'm gonna add the file to our bullet. So go to your directory where you have downloaded all the assets, go to there, go there, and then where do I have my bullet? Here it is. I'll open this, copy, I'll name it bullet. Yes, perfect. And now I'll just go to my bullet.qml and then replace the source here. So I'll copy this bullet.png URL and paste it here. If I run my application, whoa, it's going from the side, so I want this to be on the center. Nice. In this error, I'll fix this too. So let's stop this, and then anchors the center is a horizontal center. So horizontal center should be parent dot horizontal center. So our bullet will be on the horizontal center. The error that we were getting was because of the random. So I'll go to my header inside my enemy.header file, enemy.cp file, and where did I randomize the enemy.cp file?
Okay, I found this on the web for file. Where did I randomize it? Check it out.
Sorry, it was a city. So I randomized the index here. This should be 5. Now if I run again, our bullet should be from the center. What? Still not coming from the center. Wait a second, I'll change this. Go to your enemy.qml. Oh no, go to your, where is it? Oh, this is already on the center, right? So I'll take this and just center this one, right? Because this entire thing needs to be centered on this. It should be on the center. Still not working how it is expected to work. Maybe because our initial position of the bullet, this entire thing is controlled from our class. So go to your bullet.cpp, our current position, where did we set our current position? 50 divided by 2. What if I do 1.5? Let's see. Still the same. What if I do 50 divided by 3? Oh, it's not changing anything, so it's not coming from here. Bullet the CPP, where is it? Or I started this bullet somewhere here, maybe. Where is the updated state? Or we have the fire bullet here. Okay, new bullet, set x mx plus 20. So I'll do 40 because we changed the size of the player rectangle, right? Okay, it's on the center. Perfect. Perfect, it looks fine. I'll just keep it 35. Should be better than what we have. Yeah. And quickly, before anything else, I'll change the background to be a bit darker. So go to your main.kml, and this is the main. This is not actually the main thing. This is the game overlay, right? What I want to do is I want to have this another rectangle and have all of these here, and this would be our game area, and I'll just copy the rest of the rectangle. And keep it inside of this. So, and then I'll give this game area the color to be gradient. So gradient, I'll use gradient property inside of the color. So let's see, hit F1 here and go to your gradient, and we have this position here. You can just copy this. I only want two. Just copy this here, and the position starts from 0, 0 to 1. So this will be 0, and I'll hit 1. I want this to be the position to be dark blue, and this to be black for now, just for test, to test how it looks. Let's run our application again. Can assign gradient to the property color. Sorry. Gradient. Should be okay, not okay. Okay, not okay. Did we have any errors? No, but it's working weirdly. So I'll just say blue for now, and we'll change the color later on. Still have the same issue. Visible false. Okay, we need to true. So I use this color 132330. I was just searching on the internet to see what color could fit this game. So we use this color, second color this. I positioned it on 0.9 for the black, and I'll just do 0.1 would be good. Sorry, I'll just do 1 to be honest. Should look good, and we should have our background color. So in this episode we're gonna add fonts to our scoreboard. So this is how it looks, how our background looks for the game. See how our player rectangle is way too on the bottom, so let me check. So on the controller, our M axis is this, which is correct. Bottom Y. Sound right here, so perfect. Now it is in the correct position. Okay, perfect. Now let's change this score, which we are not able to see. So we will change this to look and be fit more into this game theme. Close this and then go to your main.kml to add this font. Just like how we added resources for the images, we're gonna do the same thing for the font. So go to your asset.qrc and open an editor, add prefix, font, and add files. I'll give you the fonts too. So I recently downloaded this Pixely 5 font. So I'll copy all of these and copy paste it here. Copy, save, copy, save, copy, save. We will probably not use all of them, but anyways, I've like copied all of it. We will probably use the medium font. So to use that, what we have to do is go to main.kml, use this font loader property, font loader element, and go hit F1 and then see here, you need to give ID to your font ID, which is P medium. I'll say this is a Pixely 5 of medium font as ID, and I'll give the source. And if I go to my font, I'll take this medium, copy URL, and give the source. Now I can use this font anywhere inside this main.kml or anywhere else. So what I have to do to use this font is go to my text. Where is the score text? Here, scoreboard, right? So here what I will do is, see here, font.family, and then the name of the web font.family. So we're going to do the same thing. So font.family will have what? P medium, that was the name of our font, dot font dot family. Or because it is taken from the website, I can just do, yeah, I mean this is fine and fun. Font.family, and then copy this thing, copy this entire code, to be honest, and then paste it here. This is nothing but just giving the properties to the font. The font family name, which is the name of our font, and this is P medium. This is P medium also, and this is P medium too, and our pixel size is going to be 40. And if I run this, well, looks good, looks like how we wanted it. Anyways, I want that to be white, so let's set it white. And what else I want is to have a space between the score and the score number. Yeah, it should be good. If I run this, well, I still don't have the space here. Score, I have this space, so score, okay, perfect. What? I'm still not getting the, oh, sorry, I didn't change that in the initial text, only in the connection. So yeah, change there as well. Now we have this score and 0. So if I our score changes, perfect. It's not very clear, so I'll just change it to capital. Our score. score. Perfect. This is pixelated font, so we have to use this. This is score. Okay, it's working fine, but yeah, should be good. But the 0 and C are too same, you know, like you cannot differentiate between them. So we'll probably change the font in the next tutorial. I would have already changed the font, but this is how you use it. So in the next tutorial we will change the this layout of game over and buttons, and then we complete our tutorial. This is it for our tutorial for this episode. I'll see you in the next one.